In the Delta Science module, How Do We Learn?, students begin their hands-on investigations by using their 5 senses: seeing, hearing, touching, tasting, and smelling, to learn about their surroundings. They observe, describe, and compare various objects by using properties such as color, shape, texture, and size. Next, students learn how tools can be used to extend their senses and gather information about the world. They explore and discuss the purposes of everyday tools from the classroom, home, and workshop. In the process, they build an operational definition of a tool as something that helps people make, fix, move, or build things, compare objects, or do work. Students then use a magnifier as a tool to describe and compare objects. In this module, students are also introduced to properties, attributes, traits, or characteristics of an object that can be detected by the senses. They learn to observe and compare the properties of objects, to find out and describe how objects are alike or different, and use the properties of objects as a sorting criteria. Young learners typically sort into 2 groups, although some may further divide the groupings. Students conduct a series of investigations using non-standard units of measure to describe and compare objects. They create a measuring tool, a spoon ruler, and find out about different types of measurement: length, width, distance, and height. Class members then compare standard units of measure with non-standard units and infer that standard units produce more consistent results, allowing information to be shared. In the United States today, 2 standard unit systems are used: the metric system and the U.S. customary system. Finally, students conduct a measurement roundup. They assemble a variety of measuring tools and create a measuring center for ongoing exploration and reporting of measuring information. In the Delta Science First Reader, How Do We Learn?, students read about the 5 senses, which helps us find out about our world. They will also discover other ways to learn besides using our senses: asking questions, reading, observing, comparing, sorting, using tools, and measuring. And finally, they will read about ways that people share information, including talking, drawing, writing, and showing in charts and graphs, all in the Delta Science First Reader, How Do We Learn? For science background, reinforcement activities, curriculum connections, and information about the Delta Science Readers, please consult your DSM Teacher's Guide.